Hi guys, greetings wherever you're watching me from. It's morning over here, so good morning to you and compliments of the season and Merry Xmas to you guys. So welcome to another video with me here. In case this is the first time you're seeing me, this is Amy Thonia here. You can call me Tonya. I am a Nigerian mom vlogger that is based here right in Italy with my family. So here is all about lifestyle. And currently I'm just at the front of the supermarket where I went to do some shopping, and so I've already rounded off my shopping and I'm just about to offload everything into my car and move on. So this vlog is starting right now here. Okay guys, hope you enjoy. So this is all I got. I did a lot of shopping this morning, and guys, look, the weather this morning is foggy, and can you guys see? Hope you guys are seeing. The weather is so bad and very cold, freezing. When you live in the countryside, this is where you feel it most. Okay, look at that, guys. Look at that. So let's go home. Right now I decided to stop by a Chinese store. Alright guys, so I'm out from that place right now. Fortunately for me, they were not having the oils that I went to check. I only got lavender and bergamot. So I'm going to come back next week. According to them, they said they will be having some delivering by next week. And I also bought some candles, but they were not having the bigger size as well, because I usually buy the bigger size, but since they were not having, and I've run out of candles in my house, so I decided to get these little ones just to support for the meantime. Let me quickly show you guys the oil and the candle that I got. Okay, so here they are. Here are the oils, and this is the oil that I got. This oil is so good. I love the scent. Please pardon my nails. And I got lavender oil as well. I love it so much. And so this is the candle I'm looking for. This is made of cinnamon. The scent is amazing. Wow, I love these candles. And then I got this one as well, jasmine del noche. So these are the things I got. So in the meantime, let's go home guys. Hi guys, so I've been back, and I've put my candles, they are burning, and my humidifier is also working. So my house now is in a very good state where I want it to be. So in the meantime guys, I want to talk with you guys like my Christmas when I was still younger compared to this Christmas right now as a mom and as a wife, all of that. So I just want to say a little story about my own Christmas, okay? I'm just going to say that my childhood or my single Christmas wasn't really that fun. Um, okay, let me start by saying that I didn't grow up with my parents. I grew up with an uncle who is like a father to me and like a big brother to me as well. And being with them was fun moments. It was educating. At least they contributed to part of what I am today. But let's go straight to my story, okay? You guys know as Igbos, okay? So if you are not a part of Nigeria or you are not from Nigeria, so in Nigeria, there is this part that is from the eastern part of Nigeria, and they are called the Igbos. So we traditionally we don't spend our Christmas um outside our hometown. Okay, you can be living in Lagos, you can be living in even in Italy, you can be living in wherever you are living, but if you have the opportunity to go home by Xmas time, it is always fun to be home with your family, with your loved ones, in the family house, cooking, eating, gisting, discussing, having a lot of fun. And during this Christmas, there are so many activities, guys. There are so many activities. You get to see some traditional wedding ceremonies, you get to see some white wedding ceremonies, you get to see some cultural displays, you get to see some a lot of things. I mean, a whole village can organize and decide to do some kind of activities for the youth, for everyone playing football. That I know that my own part, my village, they usually play football every Christmas. Okay, different villages they come and they play, they compete with each other, and there are always some clubs as well that comes to play and they compete with each other. And this is something that every young girl back then, oh my God, they can't wait to dress up. These days, these activities, let me say, like the football one usually starts in the evening, and whatever you're doing, you just have to be done by that evening, so that by then you just go and have your bath, make up your face, make up your face, dress in your best attire, and you are going there. And then, guys, this is the time that those young guys, those young boys are coming home to look for wife. That is why there's a saying they used to say that if you're a young boy, do not look for wife during Xmas time. That's what they say. Oh, I don't know. Because every girl is at her best at that particular period, okay? She's very neat, very well behaved, mannered, all of that, because they know that, guys na lota. I mean, what I say is that they know that guys, I mean, young boys are coming home. Some of them are coming for settlement, some of them are coming to settle, to marry, to find their missing ribs. So back to my own story. In my case, yeah, I know that those activities usually go on, but I hardly participate. Why? Because my uncle that I stayed with back home back then is a famous person. So in the village there, whenever we come back, in fact, from where we are based the preparation is always very big. Okay, we get to buy so many things: rice bags, oils, drinks, a lot of things, and send them back home in a very big car and load them there. Because from the moment we step our foot into the village and open the house, you get to start seeing guests. I mean, people will start tripping in. And then, who are the people to serve these people? We are. So I was in there, and this my uncle had two other girls, his daughter, and then there were also some other aunties that were also staying as well with us there. It is always a very busy time for us. I mean, you can be in the kitchen cooking from morning till night. My God, you don't even know when the day is gone by. Like, to even have your bath is something else. That is why the phone is always there anyway. Whenever they said, okay, we are traveling, because we don't miss it. Whenever Christmas is coming, ah, buying the Christmas clothes, getting prepared for the activities, for the traveling. And the traveling itself alone is always fun. But when I get to that place, having the opportunity to attend all these occasions, meet with people, see different people, discuss, mingle, okay? It's kind of like difficult because we really don't have that time. We are always stuck in the house. This is very, very serious because it got a time when some women, those elderly women, they will kind of come into the house and they'll be like telling my aunt then, you guys should leave these children. Happen no maziaka hapo, you understand? Leave these girls, let them go. All these ones are my, they are our future. I don't know how they are future brides, okay? Allow them to go outside so that they can go and associate and look around and have fun and mingle. But the thing is that if all of us leave the house, then who stays to entertain people? That was the issue then. So my Christmas didn't really get to be so much fun. I mean, I'm not going to say that it wasn't fun. It was, but just that I didn't really explore, those activities back then because you get to see young girls, people like you, dressing and you be upstairs looking at them. They are all passing, and either you are cleaning, either you are cooking, either you are washing, either you are. I mean, there is always something to do. And so I'm not kind of like comparing it to this time that I am a mom, I'm a wife, and how is it? I mean, the only similarities I can see back then and now is that emotion, okay? That emotional attachment towards it. I mean, that joy that it brings, that air that comes with it, like that ding ding dang. You understand what I mean? That jingle bell, those merriments and all of that, with the family inside the house and all of that. And again, it's celebrating it here, in a very long distance place where your families are not close, and it's just you and your immediate, I mean, just you and your husband, your kids, and nothing more. There used to be a time when I used to invite people over, okay? As at last 2 years, last 3 years, and onwards like that. I usually like, kind of set a very big table and I invite like 3 to 4 families and they just come over and I'll cook a lot of things and we'll sit together and we'll have fun and we'll celebrate. But with all this pandemic stuff and everything, I don't do that anymore. I'm being that most of my friends are no more living here in Italy. They have all, traveled, some in UK and all of that. And there's not big deal about it. It's just that you just have to make it. I kind of like try to make it fun for myself now, spending it with my family and making it fun within us there. That's just it. So, guys, how it was your Christmas? How was it back home then, back then, when you were still single, or how was it when you were still younger? And how is it to compare to your Christmas now? No, I just kind of like shared my stories. Do you have any story to tell? How was it? Was it much fun then than now, or are you the one trying to create the fun now by yourself? Oh, how is it? Christmas in diaspora is just indoors. If you don't make it fun, it's going to be very boring. But all the same, we thank God and we appreciate God for the gift of life. So thank you guys for watching. I truly hope you appreciate and you enjoy this my video. In case this is the first time you are seeing me here, my name is Amy Thonia. I am a mom vlogger that is based right here in Italy, bringing you content on lifestyle and cooking. Okay, if you love what you see on my channel, do well to subscribe and turn on the post notification for more videos and compliments of the season. Love you guys, and I'll be seeing you guys on my next video. Ciao.